What's up, folks? This is the Savage Scientist, and today is the 15th day of Vlogmas 2025. 10 days from Christmas and 16 days left in this month. This year really went fast. This might be a record speediest year that I ever experienced. So I want to talk to you about good jobs in IT. How do you make the good money in IT? Well, pen testing is one of the areas in IT that I really would like to explore. And I found a few jobs here, like this one in Seattle, that is paying $150,000 to $260,000 a year. And let's see what this job is. It's at Amazon, Applied Scientist 3 for Alexa and Fire TV security. So this is a security scientist job. Fire TV security. I don't even know what that is. Well, it's like a damn good job. Let's see what it takes to get this job. Making $150,000 to $260,000 a year. And stuff like this always happens. When you're trying to do something, you get these annoying pop-ups. It's probably going to come back later. So let's take a look at what this job, and you see all this Alexa crap popping up here. And I hope I got Alexa over there in the corner and it's not turning on. I'm glad it's not. So let's see here. So this is a senior applied scientist with devices and services. Let's see this and services security team. You lead the team in the development of novel algorithms and modeling techniques to advance the state-of-the-art with generative AI systems. So this looked like one of those AI jobs. And did everything just freeze up on me here? Alright, so let's see. I'm trying to see what do you need to get this job? Qualifications: PhD or master's degree and 6 years of applied research experience. So you got to know about building machine learning models for business applications, and you need some C++, Java, Python language experience, and understanding neural deep learning methods and machine learning. So they really would rather somebody with some AI machine learning understanding, or understanding these models, large language models. So if you're looking for a job, Amazon. So it looked like this job is in multiple locations. This says Seattle, but it's talking about Los Angeles. I don't know if that's applicable for this job, but hey, if you want to make at least $155,000, almost $200,000 a year, then become an Applied Scientist 3 for Amazon. I have another one. Now this is one I would like myself. This is a pen test security engineer / device and services pen testing. So this is a job that's paying $125,000 to $212,000 a year. This is another good paying son of a bitch. And this is a pen tester. It don't come with that great name scientist. And this is in Bellevue, Washington. And let's see what they're actually looking for. So you need they basically want someone with bachelor's of CS computer science, understanding of web applications, API vulnerabilities, looking for mass assignment. I don't even know what mass assignment is. Broken object function level authorization, JWT OAuth injection. So you're looking for these types of security vulnerabilities, like stuff that expose like data exposure, threats of data exposure, business logic flaws, and types of injection, SQL injection, and code injection. So this is a job that this is basically what I'm doing right now. So I could be making hell of a lot more money, but I'm not trying to leave my job right now. But so they would rather someone who has a little bit of capture the flag, who participated in capture the flags, did a little bit of CVE research, and know a little bit about AI machine learning. I have papers on this stuff, and a little bit of stuff about the software, SDLC software development life cycle. So I have published security research conference presentations. I have white papers, and hey, with the opportunity of making $212,000, that's not looking bad. So there you go. Amazon looking for pen testers. If you're in security, this might be the job for you. So we have another one, NVIDIA in Redmond, Washington, that's paying, look at this one, $180,000 to $180,000 to $339,000 a year. 3 years, you're a millionaire. Well, 4 years, you're a damn millionaire if you get this job, and you could rank out at the $339,000 a year salary range. So with this one, you need Bachelor of Science, Master's of Science, or PhD in electrical engineering. I know some electrical engineers. Computer science or computer engineering. So hey, so this one look like you gotta have some experience with ASIC design process. I don't know what that is. You got no bit of Verilog. I guess that's probably something to do with logic. Verilog. I don't know what that is either. Hey, but look, got some ARM assembly language, Perl and Python. So the only thing I know is this little piece at the end, Perl and assembly language. ARM assembly. And let's see, you got no little bit of system architecture. Oh, they would rather you have a little system architecture background, gaming, and automotive. I don't know what automotive have to do it, but this, so you might be making systems for cars, but this is way outside of my, league here. And this is NVIDIA. You have a chance to make $339,000 a year. Go for it. So we have another one. Amazon just running things. See, they have another one for $150,000 a year. Senior Application Security Engineer. It's another one there. This is at ITC Infotech. And this looks like a pretty good one here. So you'll be doing application security reviews. Exactly what I'm doing. And application penetration testing. I don't even like this word, penetration testing. I would look at, so what is a penetration test? That is whenever someone goes, like a company would hire individuals or a firm to go into their system as if there was a hacker to attack specific parts of the network system and to see if they could leverage vulnerabilities in the code or in the system that could potentially lead to a security breach. So penetration testing, look at the system from the outside in, and their goal is to break into the system. It's real fun, so you get to play with Kali Linux and all kind of other stuff. Must have a bachelor's degree in computer science. So a lot of people that's running and getting all these certifications, right now it look like to make the good money, you gotta have a degree. Bachelor's degree in computer science, software engineering, or related field. And they don't know, and normally they don't talk about these certifications. I'm looking for certifications, so it look like you got to have a degree. So let's see here. I saw a good one from Microsoft earlier. I don't see it on here anywhere. Let's see, date posted. So this is, oh look right here, you got SpaceX. Who would want to work for SpaceX? Let's see how much Elon is paying them. So you can work for SpaceX under the Starlink program, making $220,000 a year to $270,000 a year. That's pretty damn good. But this is a job I would definitely not want to take because of the nature of the company. I mean, SpaceX. You know who runs SpaceX, so that's all I can say. But hey, if they give me the opportunity to make this money, then hey, oh boy, I might have to look at it. But I would not want to work for SpaceX. But I do like Redmond, Washington, and hopefully the founder or the big guy in charge, you know who he is, the guy who also runs Tesla. Hopefully he stay the hell away from this job or this spot here. So let's see. So you got to have a degree, notable skills in software engineering, applied cryptography, network security, OS security, system authenticated boot, secure authenticated boot, incident response and adversary detection, and vulnerability research. I got all that. Want you to be flexible in the commute. Most likely you will be in the office, so they want you to have experience with TPM systems, hardware security modules. So this is some good stuff, and now I'm starting to see why. Like right now, my job really is telling me, hey, learn the job that you're doing now before we pay for you to skill up. So if I was to skill up, I would be getting into all this stuff, and you know, just looking at this, hey, I can make 200 cones around this bitch, so that's pretty good. And so they want you to have government clearance and all that stuff. Working for SpaceX. Microsoft had a good one. I'm trying to see where the Microsoft job at. There's a lot of good security jobs on this list. I guess I could just type Microsoft up here. Alright, so let's see. Program delivery, software engineer, product designer, engineer, senior Windows engineer, data center stuff. HCI, right here, $250,000 a year. That's not bad. Planning manager. So what I'm showing you is that there are a lot of jobs in the Seattle area that's paying well over $100,000 a year. But I'm still looking for this so maybe that's under security. Damn, my typing is bad today. Let's see what we got under this search. Alright, so we have senior security, senior software engineer. I'm looking for senior security, senior research HCI. Oh, I like this one though. $60 an hour to be a customer engineer. Postdoctoral researcher in HCI. They have a lot of jobs popping up over here, so it don't look like I see a lot of I don't see a lot of jobs in security at Microsoft, and they could be under a different It could be under, let me switch these out. And security is spelled wrong. That could be another reason. Senior, let me say senior security. I spelled the shit the same way again. Oh, no, that's it. All right, we good this time. All right, so let's see what we have. Senior software engineer, training and readiness lead, project delivery, worldwide specialist. Here it is, senior security researcher. This is the job I was talking about. That's what I'm talking about. $117,000 to $250,000 a year. Senior security researcher. You have that researcher title. I really like that. What the hell now? You shit neck. So let's go in here. So I looked up this job already. So monitor, track, document indicators and campaign related to the latest adversaries and attack techniques used in email and messaging based attacks. So it's looking for people with bachelor's degree in statistics, econometrics, computer science, electrical or computer engineer, or related field and 4 years related experience. So you could have that, or you can have master's degrees in that and 3 years experience, and have a doctoral and 1 year experience. Yep, so 3+ years working in threat intelligence or email security. I did some of those too. So their preferred qualifications is a master's degree in statistics, econometrics. I don't know what this is. I guess this could be economics, computer science, electrical engineering, all that other good stuff. But also it mentioned OSCP certification. So let me see if I could search for the word for that certification here. I'm looking for the find in page. It's not on this one. So this job did not return OSCP, but OSCP is probably the most important certification you would want to have if you're going into pen testing. But there's other ones, I think it's called EJPT, OSCP, and there are some other ones that's really going to help you get this $100,000 a year job. So if you want to see more information about some of these good jobs so you can start making that good money, and you notice this isn't one of them bitch ass dollar signs with one in it. So if you're ready to start making that money, then you have to take your training serious, because there are people that already have this stuff that's out there making the money, and you hear people all the time talking about how good the money is, but these certifications is where you need to start and get your degree. And once you have all three of those, or once you have your degree, OSCP, and all the required, all the necessary background, like, you know, you're going to need some experience. You're going to need at least, I would say, 5 years experience, and have your professional skills together. So that means you got to know how to write, talk, speak, present. And if you have any research, that's a plus. So research could be if you presented papers at a conference, you did anything to show the world what you got, that's going to help you out. This is not going to be, these jobs paying $300,000 a year is not going to be the easiest job to get. And another thing you need to be able to do, get a clearance. You need to be able to get a government clearance that's top secret. Well, really, you could probably get a secret clearance, but if you're in the military, that's really going to help you out because you just put yourself above many candidates if you could get a top secret or top secret SCI. So if you could get all that stuff, then you're really going to be above the curve. Let me erase this stuff off the board here. Well, let's see. The hell with it. So, it looked like my tablet done froze on me. So, but one thing that didn't freeze is the camera. We still rolling. So, this is day 15 on Savage Scientist, showing you how to get that money with 2 lines. Look at that, they got about 5 lines in that dollar sign.